ई वेस्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट पे आज पूरा नोट इस वीडियो में हम आपको कवर करेंगे। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट और ई वेस्ट डिस्क्राइब discarded electrical or electronic device use electronic which are destined for refurbishment, reuse, resale, salvage, recycling through material recovery or disposal are also considered e-waste. Informal processing of e-waste in developing countries can lead to adverse human health effect and environmental pollution. Electronic scrap component such as CPU contains potential harmful material such as lead, cadmium, beryllium or brominated flame retardant. Recycling and disposal or e-waste may involving significant risk to health of workers and communities in developed countries, and great care must be taken to avoid unsafe exposure in recycling operations and leaking of materials such as heavy metal from landfill and incinerator assay. Growth of electrical and electronic industry in India. The electronic market in India jumped from $1.5 billion in 2014 to $32 billion in 2009, making it one of the fastest growing electronic market worldwide with $150 billion and 2010. India low manufacturing cost, skilled labor, raw material, availability of engineering skill and opportunity to meet demand in the populous India market have contributed significant. Component part of computer. These various component part computer are follow: motherboard, SMPS, switch model, power supply, main board, magnetic touching sheet, CD drive, flopping drive and diode, etc. Component part of mobile phone: lens, internal antenna, aerial speaker, earpiece, microphone connector, loudspeaker, buzzer, ringers, changing blocks, system connector, chassis ribbon, clip, SIM slot, cover, reader, backup, battery clip, cover, battery contents, etc. Recycling. Electronic waste, commonly known as e-scrap and e-waste, it is the trash we generated from surplus, broken and obsolete electronic device. E-waste or electronic recycling is the process of recovering material from old device to use in new product. Some more e-waste recycling facts. 1. In 2016, 14.7 million metric ton of e-waste were generated, the equivalent of almost 4,500 Eiffel Tower. Second, between 2014 and 2017, the percentage of world population covered by e-waste legislation jumped from 44% to 66%. तो इस तरह से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट का नोट कंप्लीट हुआ। ये पूरे एक नोट हो गया इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट का। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।